CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Explain the purpose of common internal computing components. GPU. A GPU, or a graphics processing unit, is a specialized processor designed to rapidly process and render graphics, images, and videos. A GPU will have the primary function of producing visual output to a monitor or other display device. So obviously they are great for gaming PCs. GPUs can be both internal or external. Internal GPUs are integrated directly into the computer's motherboard or as a partitioned portion of a CPU. External GPUs are separate graphics processing units that can be connected to a computer system externally. They are typically housed in an external enclosure and connect to the computer via high-speed interfaces such as Thunderbolt or USB-C. If a simple GPU is not enough, you can step up your game with a graphics card. Now let me warn you. The terms GPU and graphics card are often used interchangeably by those who are not lucky enough to be taking my course. But I will make sure you know better. A GPU and a graphics card actually refer to different aspects of a computing system. To demonstrate, let me strip off the cooling unit and the cover on the graphics card behind me. That's better. Okay, here is the GPU. It is just a part of the graphics card and only handles the processing. A graphics card is actually much more. A graphics card has its own circuit board, dedicated memory, the GPU of course, and interface ports. One last fact, just like a CPU, a GPU generates a lot of heat too. Let a GPU overheat, and just like a CPU, it can lead to unexpected reboots or shutdowns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.